The Lost Lake. This drink sounds like a rave your mates invite you to, but it ends up being a sober yoga festival where you can only drink kombucha, listen to 12-hour-long electro swing sets, or some eerie place in a film where a tragic boating accident happened. I'll let you decide though, as all I can say is you're in for a treat of a drink this evening. The ingredient lineup. Rum, I've gone for my usual tipple, Appleton Estate 8 year, but this drink is traditionally made with Appleton Signature, Maraschino, Campari, and you can tell by how much in this bottle, I've been partial to a few Negronis lately. Lime juice, pineapple juice, and passion fruit syrup. Let's kick this one off by adding 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of rum, to our shaker. Add a 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5 ml of Maraschino. Another 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5 ml of Campari. Add 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of passion fruit syrup. To add 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of pineapple juice. Then lastly, 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of fresh lime juice. Add ice and shake for around 10 to 15 seconds. History wise, this drink is a modern Tiki drink which was created by Paul McGee around 2016 at the Lost Lake Bar in Chicago, which is a Tiki style bar. And we're going to double strain this over some pebble ice. I'm opting to use a Collins glass today. Then finally top this off with some more ice. Garnish wise, I'm keeping it quite simple. I'm using a pineapple wedge and a cherry and an umbrella. Traditionally, it's also garnished with an orchid flower and sometimes pineapple leaves. The taste test. Wow, this is exactly what you want on a hot summer's day. Absolutely delicious. It's well balanced. The funky complexity of the rum, the sweet dryness of the maraschino, then the Campari, which is the real hero in this. There's a bitterness toes the pineapple and passion fruit syrup into line, but that fruit combo works exceptionally well. It's tropical with a mature amount of sweetness going on. Then the lime rounds it off neatly with the sourness. This is a great drink. I had another one straight after making this, so I'm going to give this an 8.9 out of 10.